Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a free gift card on DoorDash. So let me just open up the DoorDash and show you guys. So when you go over to your profile and then we just go into the settings, as you can see right here, it says gift cards. So I'm just going to go ahead and redeem it. So let's go ahead and get our gift card. So to get the gift card, guys, you got to go to lootbuy.com. You got to go over to rewards. You got to go to the search bar and you just want to type in um, DoorDash. So as you can see, it says $100 credit. So it costs 130 points. So I'm going to unlock it. So as you can see, guys, it's unlocking. So we have the code now. So I'm going to go ahead and press copy code. I'm going to go back to the DoorDash app. I'm going to paste this in, redeem to my account, and let's see if it works. So as you can see, guys, there we go, $100 added. So I'm going to show you guys how to make points on Loot Buy so you can claim this reward. So go to the Earn tab and you're going to see these apps. So basically what you got to do is download like stuff and you got to do stuff. So like TikTok, it says you get 70 points, download, install, run for 30 seconds. Travel Town, download and reach level 9. So this is 70 points. So I just press go, then press continue, and then go to the App Store, play it. So yeah, it's super cool. So just make sure you guys do like a couple of these to equal like 130 points, because I'm pretty sure most of the rewards are 130 points. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel and peace out.